Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Chirag Singh. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in Cypress, that how we can add common methods in Cypress. As we are creating frameworks, so we need to create some common method, and how we can add that common method we will see in this video. So let me open my Visual Studio and will show. So there is a one folder which I already discussed with you, that is support.commands, and in this command you can see we can add a common method, and by adding common method in this file we can use in our test cases. So what I do, I just take a example of my previous test script which I have created. So in this test script, what I do, I just using data driven approach and valid and entering different data in my application. So what I'm doing, I'm just open google.com and search different data by using data driven approach and entering into search field. So now what I'm doing, I'm just entering this part as a common method, so that if I need to use this common method in different test cases, so I do not need to write this line of code again and again. So there is a good example. If you are if there is any application in which we are have to log in the application, so to log in and log out there is a basic approach, so we have to create a common method for that approaches and write that bunch of code in commands.js. But in this video I'm just make it simple, so that you can understand the approach how we will add common method in Cypress. So first what I do, I just go and copy this syntax here. They give a example how we can add, and here what I do, I just write our code. Here this is a search keyword example, and I need to pass keywords, right? So what I do, I do keyword, and then what I do, I just go and copy the syntax and write over here, and here I will pass keyword and will save this. So how can I use this method in my test cases? I just write cy dot and put search. So let me copy that method which I create here. So these are commands, cypress commands dot add. By using add we can add this such keywords method or function in Cypress library, and by using this search keyword I just pass cy dot search keyword and will pass our data which I need to validate, right? So I have created a method. So by adding common method, now I will save this and will test whether this bunch of code is running or not. So I will run, sorry, by mistake I run different test case. So there is a data driven test case. So it will launch google.com and we will see whether it is entering our functionality or not. So currently it is loading the google.com, and you can see it is working correctly, right? So what we do, we just create a common method by using this syntax, and we'll pass that method here. So you can see if I need to validate different test cases, so what, how I can do this test data of 1, let me run this test data of 1 and this test data 2. So this is test data 2. So what I do, I use the same method by using different data. So we can just test this type of this type of data validation by using common method, right? So this is the way how we can use how we can implement our common methods in commands.js by in Cypress tool. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand the concept of how we can add common methods in Cypress, and it is very useful when we are going to build our framework or customize this Cypress framework. But thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.